everyone! Today we're diving into a heartwarming story of how our small family vending business blossomed, all thanks to the inspiration for our beloved grandma. Our grandma was a remarkable woman who raised 9 children single-handedly through her sari-sari store. Sari-sari stores are small neighborhood shops in the Philippines, offering a variety of goods. Her resilience and entrepreneurial spirit inspired us to start our own business. We wanted to embody her principles of hard work to the community and also her resourcefulness. Just like Grandma's store, we aim to provide convenience and quality to our dear customers. Every small success felt like a tribute to our grandma's legacy. We started our vending business because we are inspired by our grandma's sari-sari store business back in the Philippines, and we also thought of how we can bring it here in Canada. And of course, there are no sari-sari stores here. So we think of ways on how we can bring this kind of service to the community. And of course, we thought a vending machine business is a good idea. That's why we franchised vending machines, and we have some good locations to place them to help serve our community here. Well, we did our research and we think that it's a good idea because there are some industries who are far away from convenience stores, and it is helpful to set up a vending machine so that the staff don't need to go far just to buy food and drinks. And it's good if you have a locator who can also help you find good locations to set up your vending business. And I suggest that you can search on locators who can assist you with this if you have a busy schedule, so that they can help you find where to place your vending machines. Of course, you need to wait for the return of investment in this vending business because along the way, the sales might not be good, or it might be good occasionally, or just at certain times of the week. So you just need to be patient, and probably you will get the return after 3 years. So it's not an overnight success, but if you know how to persevere, then you will be successful in the long run.